Welcome everybody, this is OzWealthMan, and today we're going to build a budget that actually works using AI. And if you don't have a budget, essentially you don't have a plan. And if you don't have a plan, you're just running on hope. Hope's not a financial strategy in today's world. In the last video, we uploaded a bank statement into AI and exposed exactly where your money is going. Today, we're going to take that data and turn it into an actual plan. A budget that works in the real world, not just a spreadsheet that you'll never open again, but a spreadsheet that you use every day to track your financial position. And I've built you a free budget template to make this dead simple. The link's in the description. Grab it now and let's follow along. And here's why most budgets are useless. People sit down, they guess their numbers. Groceries are, maybe 200 a week. Fuel, 50 bucks. Subscriptions, I don't know, Netflix and Spotify, what is it, 30 bucks? That's not a budget, that's a wish list. And then 2 weeks later, when the reality hits and the numbers don't match, they throw the whole thing out. Does that sound familiar to you? The difference with what we're doing here is we're not guessing. And in video 1, we already pulled the real numbers from the bank statement using AI. So now you've got the facts, you've got the actual data, and that's your starting point. No feelings, no guesses, just data. And because I'm your favorite financial superhero, I've built out a spreadsheet you can download for free. The link's in the description. So let me walk you through it. It's simple on purpose. There's no fancy macros. There's no complicated formulas. It's just the categories that matter for a normal Australian household. So you've got your income at the top. You've got your take-home pay, any side income that you might be making, partner's income if it's a joint budget. You've then got your fixed costs, your mortgage or rent, insurance, car repayments, utilities, school fees if you've got the kids. You've then got your variable spending, groceries, fuel, eating out, subscriptions and personal spending. And then the bit that most people skip entirely, and that's your future wealth section. So it's the projections, it's the savings, it's the investing, it's the emergency fund, the debt payoff. The whole point of this spreadsheet is that every single dollar has a job. Nothing is sitting there unaccounted for. You'll fill this in with the real numbers from your bank statement, the one our AI has already pulled out for you. Whether you use ChatGPT, whether you use Claude, Copilot, whatever your flavor. But then suddenly, you've got a clear picture. Now, once you've got your numbers in, I want you to think about your money in 3 particular buckets. Now, bucket 1 is your bills. These are non-negotiables. Your mortgage, your insurance, your utilities, car payments and school fees. Now this stuff gets paid first and there's no questions asked. Bucket 2, this is your lifestyle. Groceries, fuel, eating out, subscriptions, clothes, fun money. So this is where most people bleed cash without realizing it. It's not about cutting everything out. It's about being honest with yourself about where you're actually spending your money. And bucket 3, this is your future wealth, the hardest bucket for everybody, because this is the bucket that changes your life. And savings, investments, extra mortgage payments, emergency fund. Most people fund buckets 1 and 2, and whatever's left over, if anything, goes here. And we're flipping that. So we want you to decide what goes into bucket 3 first, and then you live on what's left. So that's it. 3 buckets. Every dollar from every pay needs to go into one of them. Now here's where it gets really powerful. You've got your spreadsheet filled in. You've got your 3 buckets. Now we bring in AI to do the heavy lifting. And look, it doesn't matter what AI you use. If it's ChatGPT, if it's Copilot, Claude, Gemini, they all work. Pick whichever one you've got access to, and the process will be exactly the same. So step 1, upload your completed budget spreadsheet. Most of these tools let you attach the file directly and then drag it in. So then give it this prompt. Now that prompt is doing a lot of work. You're not just asking for a generic budget. You're asking AI to compare your spending to real benchmarks. Find the fat and give you a realistic plan. This isn't some fantasy where you'll never eat out again, you're not going to have coffees, you're not going to eat smashed avocado. Now this will give you a plan. And once it gives you that plan, hit it with prompt number 2. And now you've got a brand new budget, and it's built on real data that you've extracted from your bank statement. It's optimized by AI, and it'll give you a clear surplus target. But we're not done. And here's the prompt that creates the motivation for you. And when you see these numbers, when you see what 200 bucks a week turns into 10 or 20 years, that's when it clicks. That's when budgeting stops feeling like a punishment and starts feeling like power, feels like motivation, and feels like a target. Let me be real with you. A budget is not about restriction. It's not about eating rice and beans and never having fun. A budget is you telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. And the best part, you don't need to be a finance expert for this. You don't need a financial planner charging you $2,000. You need a bank statement, a free spreadsheet, and 5 minutes with AI. So here's what I want to do right now. Hit the link in the description to grab the free budget spreadsheet below. Fill it in using numbers from video 1, or just go through your bank statements manually. Either way is going to work. Then upload it to ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude, whichever one you like, and run those 3 prompts I just showed you. Now, if this helped, smash the subscribe button. I'm putting out one of these as much as I can, as often as I can. It's real practical stuff that's helped me and will hopefully help you as well. And hopefully it helps you take control of your money using tools that are free and available right now. So in the next video, I'll go a little bit deeper and I'll show you how to use AI, how I use AI to actually find the right investments for your situation. I'll see you in the next one, and thank you.